finally got the, look at that, we finally got the mud coming back. It's finally all melting. Tomorrow it's gonna melt. Overnight should melt. I think the day after tomorrow it's gonna melt, and then we're going back to cold, but we're not getting snow. So I think after this week, I'm gonna be back to recording weekly. But with the amount of snow we have, I don't think off-roading right now is a good idea. Oh no, I fell off the track. I think I'll get stuck still. Tomorrow or the day after, I think it's more possible. I'm sorry if the camera's getting covered in salt right now. There's not much I can do about that. I can see it in my goggles, so I can kind of imagine you guys are probably getting a good amount. Oh, nobody's behind me. Time to go see. I don't think we're going to be able to get through here, but maybe we'll try the little hill climb first, and then we'll see. Because, yeah, the hill climb might be a little bit of fun if we can't get through. I have a feeling we were not going to be able to do this. But, I mean, we'll find out in a moment. Or an idea. The issue is that it's packing snow. So it's like super, super tightly packed and heavy. So when I do get some traction, my front tire gets caught in the heavy snow and just buried. Right here's the best bet if we're gonna be able to do it. If. Oh, we're getting stuck. I don't know if we're gonna get through here. The crackheads like to hang out over here, so hopefully we get grip. Oh no, I fell off the track. It's hard for you guys to tell, but there's like a packed little path. If you fall off of it, you're fucked. Oh no, we're stuck. We're just getting more and more stuck. I think we can walk it out. It's just my weight on it packs it. Oh, it's high. I mean, at least there's no crackheads over here today. Holy fuck. I'm out of breath. I'm fully out of breath. God damn. Holy. I'm warm now, god damn. Holy fuck. Wow. We got stuck. Oh, the amount of confusion I give people when they see this. Sorry, I'm out on my e-bike. I'm just adventuring. I used to love going through there, but there's no way I can right now. It's too deep. Guaranteed too deep. Oh. My camera keeps falling out of its angle, and I absolutely hate it. It's falling right into my field of view. There's a trail up there I'd love to take, but I'm almost certain same thing, we'll get stuck. I mean, it's worth to go see though, so we'll go look quickly, but I don't think we're gonna be able to go down it. It's just at least worth the look just in case. But I've been avoiding my normal routes because, like, man, you can't get through them. Some of them you can, but other ones are like, no. Like this one I have a feeling is gonna be a no. And if it's a yeah and we lose momentum, we'll be fucked. Oh, whoa. Somebody did this proper, okay. Maybe we're okay. Thank you to the people of my town for doing these. God damn. Oh, this is a city plow, it looks like. Yeah, this looks like one of those little sidewalk city plows. Whoa, that's a big pothole. Let's hit this one. Boom, boom. Oh, I thought he wasn't going to pull out. I thought I'd be able to gun it. I couldn't. Yeah, just so you guys know, like, I'm not gunning it. I'm going pretty kosher today. Like, not really much more I can do. Like, just kind of go and explore the town for a little bit. Turn right. Our battery life's coming back. We're at 81. We just did a wrap around town, so we're starting to get good battery life again, which is good to see. I mean, we were starting to lose it with how cold it was getting. I was killing like 10% a ride just going to work and back. Well, work and back was 20, but 10% just to work. And if you know me, that's only like 6 kilometers. So that's like 2 kilometers of percentage.
Fuck, she's deep down there. Dude, I love when you can't see the the lip and you drop it. It's like, boom!
Yeah, you gotta launch the thing over.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I actually made a video out of it, because I've been really bad at that. If you guys enjoyed it, leave a comment, leave a like. On the left-hand side right here, there's gonna be 2 videos that are suggested. One's gonna be a recent upload, and one's gonna be something YouTube thinks you'll like. On the right, if you're not subscribed, right here is gonna be subscribed, so join and see our videos every week if you're not already sure. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time.